Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with a no investment to get started. Work from home opportunity. What if I could show you how to make a full-time living earning Bitcoin by doing simple tasks? Would you be interested in working only 1 to 3 hours a day? If your answer is yes, keep watching to learn how it works. First, earn Bitcoin by sharing videos on Facebook, watching videos, playing games, entering contests, rolling dice, liking Facebook pages, clicking on banners. This affiliate marketing program is free to join, and if you qualify, pays 5 levels deep. Yes, you will earn Bitcoin by sharing this affiliate program with others. I will produce a free YouTube marketing video like this one you're watching right now when you join using the members affiliate links found in the description of this video. If you know anything about 5-level affiliate programs, you know that big money is recruiting others to go to work for you. When you qualify, you will receive commissions 5 levels deep from those who also do these simple daily tasks, as well as recruit others to do the same. Don't cry, there's more. Join our Forced Matrix team build. Now, if you know anything about Forced Matrix programs, you know you must join at the top through a powerful team build to position yourself for massive profits. Congratulations, you're doing just that. These Forced Matrix programs offer ad packs for all of those online marketers that need help building their business. Here are just a few of the benefits of these Forced Matrix programs. Free to join. The team builder's name in the title and description of this video. Will pay for your first matrix position in each program you join. Several Forced Matrix programs to choose from. Join just one or join them all. Spill over from your upline promotional efforts. Position stacking. Auto paid from your downline promotional efforts. 100% matching bonuses. Auto re-entry. Making it a pure passive income opportunity. Also enjoy residual passive income. Never be deleted from your matrices. Compound advertising. Turn $2 into $47,185. Free YouTube marketing videos like the one you are watching right now, with your Matrix affiliate links in the description of your videos. So far, you have spent nothing. To start making money with this great work from home, no investment opportunity. Now, once I have your YouTube advertising platform marketing videos made, I will post it in our Facebook live training room. You, myself, and the team build members will like, share, and comment on your video, making it go viral throughout Facebook and the internet. Those who watch your video will then join your Ads Earn Bitcoin and Forced Matrix programs and will then go to work for you. You will make commissions from their YouTube marketing video promotion efforts. When I produce a YouTube marketing video for them. Now scroll down into the description of this video. You will find the affiliate's name and affiliate links in the description and title of this video. You will be working in our Facebook Team Building Training Room. Click on the link and join one or all the affiliate programs, making sure you opt back in to activate your affiliate accounts. Important. You must log back in to activate your accounts for us to pay for your matrix positions and find your affiliate links so I can produce a video for you. Once I find your affiliate links in your dashboard, request your free marketing package YouTube video by getting into the Team Build Facebook training room, finding that link in the description of this video. Now, when you land in the Facebook Force Matrix training room, make sure you post who referred you when asked, which would be the name in the description of this video, and then give your affiliate links when asked. Oh, one last thing before I go. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring that little bell, like and share this video. Okay, you know what to do. My team and I will be waiting for you in my live Facebook online training room, ready to help you make that full-time living working from your home. Yes, you will be working from your home for yourself, but not by yourself. To your success, Harvey the Silver Fox, ready to help build your business.